After several failed attempts, last week I decided to visit a bakery in Da Nang that makes a really good coconut tart, in my opinion, and try to see if I can get the recipe. So we are really lucky today to get invited here in her home bakery, and Jung is so generous. She's gonna share with us her coconut tart recipe. So thank you so much.
Firstly, thank you so much for coming, and I'm really happy that I can introduce you guys how to do the coconut tart for today. So this is all our recipe for today. Okay, so this is the mixture. This is 1.1 kg of cake flour, 200 gram of milk powder, and 600 gram of sugar powder.
That is enough to make 100 tarts?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna make a big batch today. And what is this? This is
the margarine. This is 600 gram of margarine.
Margarine. And for that we will need how many eggs?
For that we will need 5 eggs.
5 eggs. Okay, so we're gonna beat this up in this huge
machine.
machine. Okay. So we've been mixing the flour and everything for 5 minutes. So now she's gonna take it out and we're gonna shape into these cute little tart molds. So I come back and try the recipe at home in a smaller batch with some adjustment, and it turned out great. So today I will share with you my recipe adapted from theirs. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
For the dough you will need 120 gram of all-purpose flour, 20 gram of milk powder, 60 gram of butter at room temperature, 30 gram of sugar, and 1 egg. For US measurement, just check in the info box below. First of all, beat up 1 egg in a bowl and divide into 2 parts. Next, combine the butter and sugar in a bowl and beat well for 2 minutes until fluffy. Then add half of the egg and beat on low speed until combined. And mix the flour with the milk powder. Then add the flour mix and knead until the dough is formed. Cover with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 25 minutes. For the fillings, you will need 250 gram of shredded coconut, 70 gram sugar, 25 gram each of milk powder and cornstarch, 30 gram of glutinous rice flour, and 25 gram of butter, and some roasted sesame. For the filling, you just combine the sugar and the shredded coconut in a pan, then stir and cook over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then add the cornstarch, glutinous rice flour, milk powder, the butter, and mix well for another 2 minutes. Then take off the heat and leave to cool. After chilling, divide the dough into 8 to 9 portions and press to the base of the tart molds. Then use a fork to make some holes so the steam can escape, and we have a crispy base of the coconut tart. Then place the coconut fillings to fill the mold and press gently to form it nicely. Next, you want to brush the tarts with the remaining of the egg and also sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top. If there is some extra pastry left, you can cut into strips and then weave on top of the tartlets. You want to bake the tarts for about 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until they are golden brown. Halfway through, you want to rotate the pan so all the tarts are evenly golden brown. That's it. Simple, right? I'm very happy with the results, and I think it tastes pretty close to the coconut tarts at the bakery. So I hope you're gonna give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Share with me a photo on Instagram by inserting hashtag Helen recipes so I can see it online. And please click like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Asian dessert like this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.